It's December 1st, 2011. We had a horrible windstorm last night. Our fence got destroyed. Much of our tree is gone or on the ground. A bunch of things got knocked over. We don't know what the roof looks like yet, but we heard a lot of sounds. Cars seem to be okay. Oh boy. And the chair, I know, is it way over there? There's that chair, they're normally right here. Eek.
Alright, so we are now seeing the effects of the great windstorm of 2011 in Altadena. Walking out the front door of our house, there's one of our garbage cans that usually lives way over there by the mailbox. And here's our wind chimes. Looking here, there's our hedge, which you can now see through because of all the leaves. You see branches. There's a big branch all knocked down there. Looking across the yard, that's pretty good with the yard. Those branches did not used to hang down that far. Behind them you see the fence, which used to have 4 panels, but now only has 2. Here in the front on this side, you see another big branch lying against the house. Coming out here towards the street, you see more branches, you see this panel ripped off the fence, you see that panel ripped off the fence, and all sorts of madness here. You can see chairs have been blown halfway across the yard. But the roof is remarkably clean. Meanwhile, over here in the driveway, those 2 fences are on wheels and used to be 90 degrees off of that, so they were blocking the driveway, but they've been blown all the way to the side. Back here behind these fences, here's our little patio, which did not used to look like this. And there's Heather's welcome sign. The backyard is less impacted, but you can see trees with no leaves on them. You can see how cushions and chairs are moved all around over there. That little screen is ripped up at the top. And there's our trees. Many fewer leaves. Exciting times in Altadena, California.